Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video, I wanted to do what I got for my birthday. So I think this is going to be probably like a triple unboxing. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. Let's get into this birthday unboxing. Okay everybody, so like I stated, my birthday is August 1st, so I did get some stuff for my birthday. So this is the unboxing. Let's get into this very first item right here. So you're gonna be receiving the same thing as I do at the same time, so let's get into it. Sorry for the shaking. Sorry. So this is the very first box. Okay, so as you guys can see with the little confetti, I did get this from Fashionphile. Use is the new you. Wait, use is the new. So I did get this item from Fashionphile. Let's move it out the box. Okay, and then let's move the box out the way. Okay, so let's unbox this together. I am so excited. Get all of the paperwork and everything out the way, and let's get into the box. 3, 2, 1. OMG. So guys, I got the Louis Vuitton Capucine in the metallic calfskin. This is the one with the BB size. I'm sorry. So as you can see, you guys can see. OMG, this is what it looks like, and it still got the plastic on the hardware. Plastic over here, so the hardware still got plastic on there. So this was listed in excellent condition. It does come with the dust bag. So this is what the dust bag look like. Let me open it for you guys. It says Louis Vuitton on it right here, and that's it. Oh my god, this dust bag feels so good on the inside. Oh, you could tell. Okay, and it does come with a crossbody strap. It's right here. And the thing that I like about this Capucine, you see the crossbody strap actually attached to the outside, so the D-ring is on the outside, not like the other Capucine where the D-ring is on the inside, so you got to attach it here. So those Capucine, a lot of times you see it has like the damage to the corners. So I really didn't want one that was like that. And when I saw this, guys, I got this for such a great deal, like more than 50% off, honestly speaking. It was such a great deal. And then when so what I end up doing, honestly, well, what I end up doing was that I traded some bags traded some bags to Fashionphile in order to be able to get this. So I got this, plus I got more credit left with Fashionphile to buy more bags, because this bag was such a great deal. And with all the bags that I traded, I was able to get still credit left for Fashionphile, which I will use. I will use. But guys, look at this bag. Oh my god, this bag is so beautiful. This color, it is truly beautiful. And the thing is that before I even purchased the bag, I actually contacted Fashionphile because it had where it said it was excellent condition, but there was when I called, I think, their personal shopper thing, so they were actually able to pull this bag for me. So this bag was actually at the San Diego location, which is really good because it's closer. So they were able to pull this bag, and when the personal shopper saw, she said there was like a little mark here and like a little mark here, but then I told her to wipe it. When she wiped it, everything went away. So really there's nothing there. There was another little mark, like I think in one of these corners right here. So I told her to take a wipe and she was able to wipe it. So literally this bag is in pristine condition, not even excellent. I think honestly it would have been like giftable if it came with the box, but this bag is such a great condition. I don't see any issue. As you can see, the inside looks really good. You just got like some little pressure mark on there, obviously from using, and then you got the fashion file tag, and then you got the like a little clip. Sorry about that. You got a little clip right here, as you can see right there. So if you cut the fashion file tag, obviously it belongs to you, which I'm going to cut because this bag is not going anywhere, guys. Oh my god, this bag is more beautiful in person than I was expecting. Like this I got such a great deal on this bag, guys. Like way more than 50, way more than like probably like almost 60% off is how much I got this bag from Fashion File, and it is literally in pristine condition. I don't see any issue, any mark, any pressure point, nothing, guys. So this is the very first bag that I got picked up. I finally got my LV Capucine, so let's put that to the side. That bag is so beautiful. Now let's get the next box. Okay, so the next box, let's open this up. Okay. Okay, so let's get this. So I did pick up 2 items from this place. I got it back from Vestiaire Collective, because you guys know I am in love with Vestiaire Collective now. Let's take the bags out. Okay, and let's move this out the way. Oh, I'm trying to move the box out the way, guys. Sorry for all the noise. Okay, the second item that I picked up I finally got my Louis Vuitton Petite Malle in this red, beautiful red color, as you guys can see. So I did pick this up from Vestiaire Collective. Let me see how you open it. Is this how you open it? Ooh. I am new to this Petite Malle family. Okay. So this is how you open it. The inside look really good. The outside look really good. It was listed in great condition. And the back look really good. I think the only thing that I see, I'm not sure if the back, I think the color on here, I think this is supposed to be gold, but I'm not sure. I think that's the only thing. The color has kind of like wear off, but then you see you got the gold stud right here, but I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to be, but I think that's the only issue. Let's see the corners. There's a little bit of corner wear right here, as you can see right there, but it's not that bad. You got a little corner wear. And really no corner wear on this section. I think it's just this little mark that's on this side, but all the other ones really doesn't have any corner wear. It does come with the crossbody strap, as you can see right here. So this is what this look like. So this one is the Petite Malle, the Louis Vuitton, in this beautiful red. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I am excited. So the opening is a little bit tricky. So I gotta really get, okay, so I think the opening is just like, the closing is strong. The magnetic is strong on the closing, but the opening is a little bit tricky. You do have a little bit of creasing on the side right here, which is, you know, expected with this type of bag. But this one is the second one. So this one is the Petite Malle, Louis Vuitton Petite Malle. So this is the second item that I picked up. And the very last item that I did pick up is this right here. So I picked up this Gucci mini. So this is the Gucci Mini Diana. Oh my god, this bag is beautiful. This is what it looked like. And both of this obviously did not come with their dust bag, but it's okay. So it has like an additional strap inside, the pink one, and then it has the casual strap, which is more of the guitar strap kind of thing right here, which is more thicker. The skinny one, the skinny leather strap is in here. So this is the skinny leather strap that goes with it, as you can see right here. And then the inside look like it's in perfect condition, no mark, nothing. So I definitely got to get an organizer because it looked like it's like a what's the name, cloth in here. So it's very soft on the inside, and it does have the little thing for the bamboo, the little strap, so you can, the black one that comes with it. So this is what it looked like, as you can see, and this is what this looked like. And then it has feet on the bottom. So with all three of this beauty that I picked up for my birthday, I didn't pay anything, guys. I did trade some bags in, you know, sell some bag, trade some bag in, so that I'll be able to pick these up. So I didn't come anything out of pocket, which is really good. You know, anytime you're able to, you know, exchange one for another is the best policy in my opinion. So these are the three beauties that I picked up for my birthday. Oh my god, I'm so excited. These are so cute. So I finally got my holy, well, not really my holy grail, but the best of the Louis Vuitton line, which is the Capucine and the Petite Malle. I think these are like the high end, because this one is what Louis Vuitton is known for, because it's the trunk size. And then you have the Capucine, which is what Louis Vuitton is selling to kind of compete with, like, you know, the Hermes, Birkin, or Kelly, those kind of things. This is their very high end right now, which is the Capucine, which is their top line. And then you have the Petite Malle, which is their trunk line. So these are the two, like, really, if you are a Louis Vuitton lover, you need to have these two in your collection. And then obviously the Gucci Diana. I just think it's just a beautiful, classy bag. I love that I picked the mini instead of the small, because I feel like the small is really big, but the mini is just a very, 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 very nice size. So definitely I am excited. Anyway, guys, this was my birthday unboxing for 2024. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.